Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by and move mountains. We can walk it out and close my eyes and leave. I think I'll try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me down and rise up high like the waves, rise up in spite of the ache. And nobody, none of us, no wizard that there is of us is never gonna bring me down. Whoa.
Hello everyone, I hope na bagay itong mashup na naisip ko ngayon. I will not break the way you did, you feel so hard. And I've learned the hard way, so never let it get that far. When you're gone, the pieces of my heart are missing you. When you're gone, the face I came to know is missing too. Because of you, and I am afraid. Hello everyone, may duet nga pala si Jessa Saragosa at si Miss Nora Honor sa kantang ito. Sana magustuhan din yun, no? Parang di ko yata kaya pag sa buhay ko'y wala ka. Aanhin ng pag-ibig kong inalay sa bansa. Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit pa nakilala kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan? Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inalay sa bansa? Kung siya'y higit sa akin, naroon man ang pagdaramdam nito kahit na konting awa. Ayos ba? Mag-like naman kayo, mag-subscribe naman kayo dyan. Yakapin mo ako ng mahigpit, and you kiss me on the dance floor. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at muli mong hagkan bago ka lumisan. Ibig kong malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Can I lay by your side next to you habang may buhay? I don't wanna be here if I can't be with you tonight. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. Ikaw ang siyang ligaya, tanging pag-asa away from home, at wala nang iba.
That's why I'm lonely. I'm still lonely. Pag-ibig mo at pag-ibig ko, I gave my all to have just one more night with you. Nanais madamang muli ang iyong pag-ibig kahit sandali, 'cause I can't go on living in the memory of song ng bagong alaala sa aking pag-iisa.
Ay, kahit hahariak lang sa kantang ito, okay na. Ready?
Oh, why can't you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor? At baka matanaw ninyong tunay na kalagayan ko.
Ay, sana magustuhan mo ang mashup na to.
I gave my all to have just one more night with you. Ay, pag-ibig with your love tonight.
Ay, sana magustuhan niyo yung bagong mashup na to.
I gave my all to have just one more night with you. Nanais madamang muli ang iyong pag-ibig kahit sandali, 'cause I can't go on living in the memory of our song ng bagong alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Ng bagong alaala for your love tonight.